Iran, a land of complexities, of ancient history and modern struggles, of deserts and mountains, bustling cities and quiet villages. It's a place that defies easy categorization. To understand Iran, you have to go beyond the headlines, beyond the preconceptions. You have to experience it for yourself. Deep in the south, in the heart of Kerman province, lies Bam, an oasis town on the edge of the Dasht-e-Lut Desert, one of the hottest and driest places on Earth. For centuries, Bam was a vital stop on the Silk Road, that legendary trade route linking east and west. Caravans laden with silk, spices and precious goods passed through its gates, leaving behind a legacy of cultural exchange and architectural grandeur. Today, Bam is a place of contrasts. The scars of the devastating 2003 earthquake are still visible, a reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of human life. But amidst the ruins, there's a sense of hope, a determination to rebuild and preserve the city's unique heritage. Come with me as we venture to this remarkable place, to explore the cultural landscape of Bam, to witness its resilience, and to discover the stories etched in its ancient walls. Bam is old, really old, like over 2,000 years old. This place has seen empires rise and fall. It's witnessed the ebb and flow of trade, the clash of cultures, the relentless march of time. And through it all, Bam endured, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The first settlements here date back to the Parthian Empire, around the 3rd century BC. Back then, Bam was a strategic outpost on the southern edge of the Iranian plateau, a gateway to the east. Its location on the Silk Road brought prosperity and cultural exchange. The city grew, becoming an important center for trade and agriculture. Over the centuries, Bam fell under the rule of various dynasties and empires, each leaving their mark on the city's architecture and culture. The Safavid era, in particular, saw Bam flourish. The city's fortifications were strengthened, and the majestic Bam Citadel, Arg-e Bam, rose from the desert sands. But Bam wasn't just a military stronghold. It was a center of learning and craftsmanship. Its artisans were renowned for their skill in pottery, weaving, and metalwork. The city was famous for its dates, its citrus fruits, and its unique architectural style, a blend of Persian and Indian influences. The Arg-e Bam, a goddamn marvel. Imagine a massive mud brick fortress, rising out of the desert like a mirage. This is no ordinary castle. It's a city within a city, a labyrinth of winding alleys, towering walls, and ancient buildings, all constructed from mud bricks baked under the desert sun. This place is huge. We're talking over 6 million square feet. At its heart stands the governor's palace, a testament to the power and wealth of Bam's former rulers. Around it, a maze of residential quarters, workshops, mosques, and bazaars once teemed with life. Can you imagine the stories these walls could tell? The architecture is a sight to behold. Intricate brickwork, soaring arches, and wind towers designed to catch the slightest breeze and cool the interior. It's a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the people who built it, using simple materials to create a masterpiece of engineering and design. Walking through the Citadel, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The murmur of merchants haggling in the bazaar, the laughter of children playing in the alleys, the call to prayer echoing from the minarets. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity and the importance of preserving our shared heritage. December 26, 2003, a date etched in the memory of every Iranian. At 5:26 a.m. local time, a massive earthquake, registering 6.6 on the Richter scale, ripped through southeastern Iran. The epicenter? Just a few miles from Bam. The devastation was unimaginable. Buildings crumbled to dust. Ancient walls, standing for centuries, collapsed in an instant. The magnificent Bam Citadel, the pride of the city, lay in ruins. The air was thick with dust, the stench of death, and the sound of human suffering. The earthquake claimed over 26,000 lives, leaving thousands more injured and homeless. It was a tragedy of immense proportions, a stark reminder of the awesome power of nature and the fragility of human life. The world watched in horror as the scale of the disaster became clear. Bam, once a vibrant city, was reduced to rubble. The earthquake not only destroyed buildings, but also shattered the lives of its people, leaving behind a legacy of grief, trauma, and loss. The road to recovery would be long and arduous. Section 5. Rebuilding brick by brick. In the aftermath of the earthquake, a wave of compassion and support poured in from around the world. Aid agencies, governments, and individuals rallied to provide emergency relief to the survivors. But the task of rebuilding Bam was daunting. The destruction was so extensive that it seemed almost impossible to imagine the city rising again. But the people of Bam are nothing if not resilient. With the same determination that saw their ancestors construct the magnificent Bam Citadel, they began the long and arduous process of rebuilding their lives and their city. The restoration of the Bam Citadel became a symbol of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Iranian people. Experts from around the world, from archaeologists to architects to engineers, joined hands with local craftsmen, sharing their knowledge and expertise. It was a painstaking process. Each mud brick, each archway, each tower had to be carefully reconstructed using traditional techniques, preserving the historical integrity of the site. It was a labor of love, a tribute to the past, and a beacon of hope for the future. Section 6. Life after disaster. The road to recovery has been long and difficult. More than 2 decades after the earthquake, Bam is still rebuilding. The scars of that day run deep, a constant reminder of the loss and the fragility of life. But amidst the ruins, life goes on. The bazaars are bustling once again, filled with the sights, sounds, and smells of everyday life. The aroma of spices, the chatter of vendors, the laughter of children. These are the sounds of a city coming back to life. New buildings stand alongside the restored historical structures, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the people. There's a palpable sense of community here, a shared experience that has bound the people of Bam together. They have faced unimaginable loss, but they have also shown incredible strength and determination in the face of adversity. There's a spirit of resilience here, a determination to rebuild and to honor the memory of those lost by creating a brighter future. Section 7. A Legacy Reforged. Today, the Bam Citadel stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it attracts visitors from around the world, drawn by its historical significance, its architectural beauty, and the inspiring story of its restoration. But Bam is more than just a tourist destination. It's a living, breathing city, home to a people who have known both tragedy and triumph. It's a place where the past and present intertwine, where the echoes of ancient civilizations resonate in the bustling streets of the modern city. The restoration of the Bam Citadel is a powerful symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of unimaginable destruction, the human spirit can endure. It's a testament to the power of cultural heritage to unite people, to inspire hope, and to pave the way for a brighter future. Section 8. The Spirit of Bam. There's a saying in Iran, "This too shall pass." It's a philosophy that has helped the Iranian people endure centuries of hardship, from invasions to natural disasters. And nowhere is this spirit of resilience more evident than in Bam. The people here have faced unimaginable loss, yet they have emerged from the rubble with a determination to rebuild, to honor their past, and to create a better future for their children. There's a sense of community here, a shared understanding of the fragility of life and the importance of human connection. Visiting Bam is a humbling experience. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can prevail. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a testament to the enduring power of hope, resilience, and the human will to survive. Section 9. A Journey to Remember. Bam is a city that gets under your skin. It's a place of raw beauty, profound history, and incredible resilience. Traveling here is more than just a sightseeing trip. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to connect with a culture that has faced both the best and the worst that humanity has to offer. So, come to Bam. Stand atop the ancient walls of the Citadel. Feel the desert wind on your face and listen to the stories whispered by the wind. Let the resilience of the people inspire you. Let the beauty of the landscape move you. And let the spirit of Bam stay with you long after you've left. Trust me, it's a journey you won't soon forget.